Did you know nearly two-thirds of drivers don't trust auto repair shops? According to the AAA, 63% of us feel like we're walking into a trap every time we hand over our keys. As someone in the industry, I've seen firsthand how shady shops exploit what you don't know. They use fear tactics, inflated labour, and unnecessary parts to drain your bank account. Today, we're cutting through the noise. I'm exposing the most common scam mechanics use and how to shut it down on the spot. Scam number 1, the mystery check engine light. That glowing amber engine light is a mechanic's best friend because it strikes instant panic. A shop will tell you it could be a major failure costing $1,000 or more. The truth: the EPA estimates that about 10% of check engine lights are triggered by something as minor as a loose gas cap. How to avoid it? Never let a shop charge you $100 just to run a diagnostic code. Grab a basic OBD2 scanner online. Plug it into the port under your steering wheel, get the error code, and search it online. P0455, loose gas cap, $0 fix. P0171, dirty air sensor or small vacuum leak, $15 fix. Pro tip: when buying tools or car parts online, use Zropix. It's a free price history browser tool that gives you an instant buy or wait verdict on Amazon, so you know you're getting a real deal on your scanner or replacement parts, not an inflated list price.